Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about document toolbar in Adobe Dreamweaver. First of all, we go in create new and select HTML. We click on code view. Code view, show the code and only the code using the view. Split view, selecting this option split the document window between code and design view. This view can be extremely helpful because you see design and code simultaneously. Design view. This option display your page in design view in document window. Live code. When a live view is enabled, you can view the source code of your document as a user would see it in a browser. Check browser compatibility. Live view. Live view render your page as though it is in a browser free of borders, guider and other visual aids. Inspect. Inspect button work with live view to reveal the CSS rules that formal element on your page. Preview in browser. Click this button to preview your document in one of your installed web browser. Visual aids. Click this button to select different visual aids to help you see various elements and make designing your page easier. Refresh design view. Click this button to refresh the document's design view after you make change in a code view. Document title. Enter name of your document. File management. Click this button to display the file management pop-up menu. Use this menu to check your document. Live view option. Click and select option from this menu to control how your document appear and works when live view is enabled. Thank you for watching this tutorial.